description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and I'm very pleased to say today I've got one from Japan, which I don't get a lot of stuff from Japan anymore, what with the post office closed over there. This is from a special Thai series of, I think it's the Japanese Nissin in collaboration with Thai Nissin. This is a special creamy tom yum shrimp. I don't know. I haven't done all the full translation, and I'm pretty sure there's also the other one that I got. It's a yakisoba, but it's like masaman curry. So I'm really jazzed on that. 400 mils of water for 4 minutes today, and let's do it. You can watch it boil. That's your favorite thing to do. I understand thoroughly. It's shout out to Bunch. I haven't gotten any comments from Bunch in a long time. I don't know if Bunch is still with us, but who's Bunch, you might ask? Bunch is a person who kept asking for me to point the camera at the water while it boiled. And I figured that was like the easiest thing, since Bunch was repeatedly asking for me to let them watch the water boil and the noodles cook and all that. So I figured, okay, why not? So now you are. It's free, you know. But yeah, it is Friday the 19th of September. What a freaking wonderful time to be alive in the United States of America, huh? Isn't it just nice? Nice. Do they have cheese where you're at? Do they still have ability to walk around and do things without recompense or penalty? I don't know. You write in the contents. I mean, like I said, it's September 19th, 2025. With everything that's happened, I have no idea what the future brings, so yeah. But you can tell past me in a comment when this comes out, and you're probably February next year. You can tell past me if I was like, I don't know. I'm not really predicting anything other than a major medical event for somebody in the administration before the end of the year. That's all I do, is have that one. It used to be Betty White. I would always like bet that Betty White was gonna snuff it, but finally she did, so I'm kind of grasping at straws here. So I don't know. Maybe it'll be Otani. I don't know. Maybe it'll be Gargamel or the Grinch, or I don't know. It's just weird junk every day, folks. I just hope they don't take out all my favorite YouTube's independent media streamers, but it sounds like they're all freaked out that that's going to happen. I think it's nicer when the world isn't all freaked out, don't you? This one I wish I had shrimp for, but I am shrimpless. Shrimpless in north of Seattle. Ha ha ha. And I still haven't gotten a croissant for my daughter. I got little funny mint things that are not mint. They're black currant pastilles at the little French bakery I was trying to get to, if you're an ardent follower of the show. But, no. Oh, we stopped having croissant. You're a French bakery and you don't have croissant? Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I'll say though, their stuff that they had was frickin' amazingly good, but you know. And oh, so I got a bag of nuts unshelled nuts that are for squirrels. And we have a squirrel that I have named Shirley, so that's Shirl the squirrel. And this morning my wife said she saw another squirrel hanging out with Shirl, and I think the correct name for that squirrel will be Burl. So Shirl and Burl. I don't know. It's leaning towards fall. I think we have another few days of summer, and then it'll be fall. I think it's already meteorological fall. I think that starts September 1st. But regardless, you know, like Burl Ives. You know what Burl Ives is? He did a lot of Christmas music, and he actually lived in the town, or retired, or the Iveses lived in Anacortes, Washington, which is where I grew up, and someday we'll return to, maybe for like a hot minute. I don't know. We'll see. There's the powder element. Interesting. Now remember, this is for the Japanese market, so this is. I'm really hopeful this is like a really nice Thai creamy tom yum. But I know that they make stuff for the people that are in the place that are going to buy it. So that might not be the case necessarily. It might be definitely more something for the Japanese palate, but we'll see. And here's our oil sachet. There's little bits, nits for the squirrel. The squirrels are taking, I got a special bowl for the squirrels. It's like an extra heavy bowl, ceramic, very nice. I decided to get one that would be like good for squirrels, you know, so they wouldn't tip the whole thing over. But got them this big bowl and put a whole bunch of nits in it, and they're stoked. But they like keep burying them in our planters. I'm kind of worried that they're gonna like mess with the plants we have around or ruin them, but I don't know. I tell you, you have to pay a deposit for pet rent here. So we don't have pet, but we have a patio that's like a veritable Northwestern zoo. Because bird show. Ooh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Ladies and gentlemen, I may be. Ooh, that smells good. Alright. I'm stoked. I'm finding myself to be enamored with this one, that's for sure. Okay. There's our noodle. Cheers. That noodle is spot on, folks. Nice little bit of crumble. It's definitely not a Thai style noodle, I will say that. It's a regular wheat noodle. The Thai style noodles will hydrate to a point and then just chill out, and they have a lot of crumble and they're great. This one will just keep going, I'm sure, but it's quite good. There is our broth. Look at that. Ooh. Here we go. Perfect balance of lemongrass, and the oiliness is on point. The little bit of heat is there. And the shrimp is like really nice. It's like oily prawn thing going on. This, yes. I'm stoked. That was a good purchase. It cost me $4 for this one. Like I said, I got 2 of them, so there's like more to see soon. I might get the next one ready for the next set of 3 that I do, whenever that occurs. beauty, eh? Alright, so we're gonna go with, I'm gonna use some of this because honestly I really have been liking this lately. It's just basil, but I really like how it looks. I like how things look sometimes. I've got some shrimp or some fish ball. Granted, some nice big Herkin large shrimp would have been a nice add-on, but I don't have any, which is okay. You know where I get them usually is Target. Target has a nice colossal bag of shrimp. Okay, and now we've got crushed red pepper. I'm going to use just the smallest smattering of sesame seed. It's not always the right choice, but sometimes it is. Just a little bit of that. And I actually got coriander, which is something I rarely even have around anymore because I just don't have enough call for it. Ooh, that one looks nice. You're bending the wrong way. I need one that bends the right way, folks. This is merely a quick little thing I gotta do. When I do things, I try to do them the way I want to do them. Oh, that sucks, because that one was like the best one I had, too. Go about like that. Maybe I'll hang on to this. I do have some green curry that I might put together for a dining extravaganza this evening. I don't know. And how I do enjoy some forms of extravaganza. You know what I could do is I could put some of that pepper thread on there. Maybe it's just a little. It is Japanese, although this stuff all over it says that it's Korean, but I've seen it in ramen so often that it's like, it's just kind of a thing. I think it's a multinational utilized deal. So I'm going to drop that right there. And it'll rotate for a minute, and you'll get to abscond with that image and the thoughts of how this tastes. This is a really good one. I am jazzed that I scored this. So enjoy the rotations. Well, thank you very much to Japanese Snack Republic for getting this out just under the wire so I could actually try this out. There'll be more reviews coming soon. Like I said, it's September 19th. I don't know when the next set I'll be doing. It's Friday for me. If it ends up being Friday for you, happy day for doing things. I don't think it is, though. I think it's your, what, Tuesday? Wednesday? I don't know. However, there will be more, and you will see it. If you like this, like, subscribe, send me money, tell all your friends, grab their phones, subscribe them without their knowing. And yeah. All right. This has been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.